The Yota Arena in Moscow was the setting for the 2019 Red Bull Rubik's Cube World Cup. This year's field consisted of 25 competitors from 11 nations, all competing to win a share of the $30,000 on offer and the title of Red Bull Rubik's Cube World Champion. One of the standout cubers in the Russian capital was 18-year-old Max Park. The American, who's autistic, took victory in the fastest hand category against Australian Felix Zemdags, before defeating Germany's Philipp Weyer in the event's marquee event, speed cubing, in a time of 5.2 seconds.
This competition is huge for Max. This is the first time he did it. He's been doing more different type of a competition that's more local and with a lot of people that he knows. So for something like this international and coming all the way to Moscow was a tremendous opportunity for him, and he had a great time. You had a great time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go. In the re-scramble event, where competitors are given one solved and one scrambled cube and have to replicate the pattern of the scrambled one, Germany's Ricky Meiler beat hometown favourite Dmitry Aniskin.
It was pretty cool. So coming here as like a defending champion, it was I was a bit nervous, but it was fun. So I've been cubing for about 10 years, and you just need a lot of practice and just patience and focus, concentration.
In the final event of this year's Red Bull Rubik's Cube World Cup, France's Juliette Sebastien claimed victory in the women's speed cubing category after overcoming an early deficit against America's Dana Yee.
I was pretty nervous because there's a lot of people watching, so I just try to stay in the zone and not look at anything else but my cube.
Следующие считанные секунды она получит заветный кубок тех самых рук